Contrôlez le contact.
Allez, continuez bien.
Contrôlez la tenue.
Normalement, alors, il y a une
À la début.
c'est peut-être intéressant pour vous justement de faire le cours, de filmer,
Concentrate on you. And now the pure. Encore une fois. Encore. It's important, Elaine, that can happen also on the show. You know what? Then you get it done. Huh? If you are just, you know what, a little quicker, keeping the shoulder more on the left. Plus la main gauche et la purée. Bien. 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 Easy. Good. Important is that you learn to get it done, even if it's a little tense. Huh? Just get it. Huh? Encore à gauche. Yeah. And look really that you're not losing your diagonal. Huh? It's important that you're focused. You are watching to end and don't lose the line. Plus la main gauche. Plus la main gauche et la purée. Bien, bien, bien. Relax, relax. Plus vite, un peu de flexion à gauche. Bien. Sur la piste, marchez large. Relax. Et sur la grande diagonale, le 4 temps. Relax, relax. Un peu flexion à droite. Relax, relax, relax. Flexion à gauche. Relax, relax, relax. À droite. Relax. You see that? Good. Transition au pas. You see that? This is the way. Huh? A little flexion in the change. Between the changes, just light. Huh? And this is a way how to change them. When you are with your pirouettes and he's a little behind you, it's important that after the pirouette, kind of working kind of rhythm.
reprendre de la vitesse comme un galop de travail. Hein?
That you have more power for the change at A. And important is when I'm riding my pirouettes, you know, that I don't overturn the line. I'm more focused on the middle of the short side instead of M. So I'm training them that they are always not turning too much to the right. I have them a little on the left, and then I have more time to create my pirouette to the right.
Il vise, voilà, donc il faut rester très décontracté, mais pour les pirouettes, en fait, il vise le milieu du petit côté de la partie droite, vous voyez, à 4 mètres du coin, pour viser un petit peu plus à gauche. Comme ça, ça lui donne un petit peu plus d'espace et de temps pour revenir et pas se retrouver trop à l'intérieur pour revenir. Et il ne faut pas overturn, pas trop tourner, et quand vous avez fait demi-tour, vous vous retrouvez par là. Et ça, c'est pas bien. Vous devez vous retrouver là et sortir vers l'avant, vers votre lettre. Hein? Ça, c'est important.
And important is on the way to the pirouette that you are, even if he's a little looking, that you are focused to be light, that when he's over-collected, he's so much jumping under and it's too small.
Très léger, parce que quand il est trop rassemblé, à ce moment-là, il saute et c'est moins agréable à voir. Hein?
And when we get it, every day she tried to ride the more time changes. When we are getting the more time changes, immediately good like this. Don't ask it again. When it happened like with me yesterday that I need 10 tries, I do it so long until I study what I have to do. Huh? But I'm sure that you will get that from now every day without having any problems. The first thing is that the horse is enough in front of you. You need always in the canter a good forward rhythm. Huh? When he's a little behind, then it's no way. So when you have a good rhythm, then it's easy, a little changing the flexion and he's changing. Huh? So we do once again the
Pas besoin de
pirouette.
traduction?
Non, c'est bon, je pense.
No, it's okay.
With him, it's really, when I realize how much I've ridden him yesterday forward, you know, he's right now not strong enough that I can collect him more. Then he's behind and I have no chance. And be focused on C, huh? So, good. And now the pirouette. Léger avec les deux mains, léger.
Voilà, il a sorti.
Bien, léger. Huh? That he's not that over-collected. You have to try to turn him
Il est sensible, il tourne la tête, il change de pied.
tourne plus vite. Hein? Relax. Focus on C, that's the direction. Et tourne plus vite. Et léger avec les deux mains. Tourne plus vite, tourne, bien. Tu sens? Encore à droite. Léger. Contrôlez le flexion à gauche. Otherwise, he will change to the right. This was him super important. When I'm in the canter right, I have to control the flexion with no pulling. Gardez ici. Léger et tourne plus vite. Tourne plus vite. Tourne. Tu sens? Très bien. Hein? Contrôlez la flexion à droite. Transition au pas. So Elaine, when you're riding the pirouette, the first thing is turning quicker. When you are done with the pirouette, be focused keeping the flexion. You are not concentrate on the flexion. You are just cantering and he still change a little bit the flexion, and then you will have the problem that he will do the change alone. When you comprend? So when you are during the work riding the pirouette, you are the line always from the letter in the middle of the short side, and you are waiting with your pirouette in the second half of the indoor. So a long way to prepare, and then you can ride your pirouette, and you have a long way to be concentrate, flexion, relaxedness, and forward. Huh? When the pirouette is done, I have an exercise with over collection. Then I have to breathe and a little working canter forward, but concentrate on the flexion. When you are hanging a little bit in the rein, immediately he's doing a change.
Et quand il est trop lent dans la rotation, il se met au terre à terre. C'est pour ça qu'en tournant plus vite, le rythme du galop est mieux.
I think it is necessary to be for 100% concentrate on flexion. A little flexion, especially in the canter, and the rhythm. It's in the trot, the rhythm. In the canter, it's easier with a connection. You know, you can have your hands quiet and just keep going. In the trot, you have to be a little more flexible with your arms, that he doesn't get stuck and is behind you. Huh? So I would say now just trop enlevé sur le grand cercle et extension de l'encolure, contrôler la vitesse.
Und so weiter.
But Hélène, I'm very impressed, and I hope that you work very hard. And hard working means not that the horse is sweating and you are sweating. It's just, I like to have that you are doing for 100% a professional job. And you have the potential for that. It's, you know, with someone I can talk, it's difficult. But I think you have the possibility to get it done. And you have a great horse. And he will stop the tension. He will stop that he's balking and doing that stupid things.